The industrial connectivity market is undergoing massive changes with the introduction of Ethernet to the edge via the latest 10BASE-T1L standard. Analog devices is a driving force behind this standard and its many applications. 10BASE-T1L is not just a PHY, its many applications require different configurations for system optimization, such as MAC-PHY for lower power field instruments, optimized switch fabric and PHY for field switches, or mixed mode operation for backwards compatibility. Analog Devices' 10BASE-T1L portfolio cover all of these cases and more, including the power and isolation products. The transition to Ethernet will be a long process, with mix and match between 10BASE-T1L and analog communications such as 4 to 20 mA, HART or 0 to 10 volt signaling, especially for retrofit or brownfield. Analog Devices has considered this and developed flexible software, configurable in-out to enable modular installation time configurability and remote in-out to bridge between packets and milliamps, driving down the complexity and cost of multimode control networks. Analog Devices' long history of supporting the industrial market has provided us with the necessary insights to deliver highly differentiated products that dramatically reduce the system-level cost, simplify development and enable robust right first time design, including the first SIL certified DAC, the ADFS 5758. For all your industrial semiconductor needs, come talk to the experts, Analog Devices.